here all political aspirants. This is team that is gathered here is the team that is going to lead, inshallah, Mandera County in the next 3 months to come. This team is committed to bringing change in Mandera. This team is going to right, inshallah, all the wrongs that have been done in the past. This team is going to lead an all-inclusive government. This team will focus its manifesto on women and youth of Mandera County. We know very well we have serious problems endeavoring that county. We have issues of drought that is perennial and affects livestock and human beings. We have issues of lack of proper medical care. We have issues of insecurity that has made our area not to develop at all. We have lost an entire stretch of land between Kutulu and Mandera on the border of Somalia to insecurity. This team, combined together with its senator, the women rep, the MPs, all the MCAs combined, inshallah will bring change, will bring peace to the people of Mandera. Mandera people should feel that this is an all-inclusive government. It's going to include all communities. Nobody will be left out. Nobody will sit under a tree and say that my community has been left behind. This government is a government that's going to equalize everybody. It's a government that's going to bring meaningful development. It's a government that's going to focus on the national problems that are facing the people of Mandera. Here we are gathered. This is a very strong team. We have also other parties who have come to join us, other parties who have come to declare support. We have Upka here, we have Kanu here, we have the PNU here, and we have Jubilee, Wiper is here, independent candidates are all here. This is a solid team. This is a team. Mandera people are saying no to status quo. Mandera people are saying no to status quo, and I want to repeat this. We have seen the mistakes that have happened in the past. We are not going to witch hunt anybody. We are not going to follow anybody. But I can guarantee you that we are going to right a lot of mistakes. We are going to right a lot of wrongs that have taken place in the past. The development of Mandera County, which is the most resource, one of the most resource county in the country, it's actually number 4 in terms of national budget resources. Number 4 in the country of the 47 counties. Those resources and development are not reflected in the lives of the people. The reason why we are here is we want to bring change. We want to say no to status quo. We want to say no to tenderpreneurs. We want to say no to cartels. We want to say no to 10% that has been tabled the people of Mandera. We want to say no to nepotism in recruitment. We want to say no. We want to say yes to equality. We want to say yes to all development for the people of Mandera. We want people who know Mandera. We want people who know Mandera and its people and its problems. This is the team. Anybody outside this team is lost. We are persuading our brothers. This is the train. This is the winning train. We are saying, our brothers, join us. There is no other time. This is the time to join the winning team. This is the time, and we want the voters to come up in large numbers and elect these people. These are people of integrity. These are people of repute. These are people whose track record has been proven. These are people who have known that their history is known. Finally, we have got candidates here. I want to start on my right. Is a Senator Mahmoud. He's a senator. He's contesting on independent. He's an independent candidate. On his right is Mheshimiwa Waitan, who is our candidate for Mandera East. On our left here is our women rep on ODM for Mandera County. On our Mheshimiwa Aredo, who is Alan Madimoro, is also here, but he has just left shortly for some engagement. He's also contesting on Senator. Mheshimiwa Sheegay Very strong lady. She is here contesting on women level Upka. She's an Upka candidate. We have Saeed behind me here, a young man, very energetic. He's trying to learn the ropes. So he's on Upka. He's on Senator. He's learning a lot from Senator Mahmoud. Mahmoud is teaching him engineer. Mheshimiwa Mohamed Surau is our candidate for Mandera West. He's contesting Mandera West seat on ODM. Mheshimiwa Abdullahi is contesting Abdullahi Mzungu. He's our Mzungu. He's only Mzungu in the group. He's contesting Mandera West also. He's an independent candidate. Mheshimiwa Abshiro, the guy from Ramo. The guy from Ramo is here. He's on Mandela North. Mheshimiwa Alan Wongozi is our candidate on ODM for Mandela Manisa constituency. Mheshimiwa Daktari, our only doctor in the team, the doctor who treats us when we have issues, Dr. Harun is also contesting Mandela West. The only candidate for Jubilee, and I have cautioned him, he supports Jubilee. We support him as a candidate for Jubilee, but he is going to support the governor on ODM here. And everybody else, the senator and everybody else. We have got this Mzee here, he's called Aliobaki. He is one of the first bankers. He is the first banker from Mandera County who joined the banking sector. Hata yeye anasema he's on Kanu, he wants to try Mandera East. Abdurrashid Al Mahmoud, German, is also saying he's trying his luck in Lafi on when. Finally, of course, you all know very well, Faisal Abbas, who has shared his ambition. He has shared his ambition for the people of Mandera. He says, inshallah, there will be tomorrow. And inshallah, tomorrow we are all going to support and rally behind Faisal. He will have his day, inshallah. My deputy here, my able deputy. This is Moses and Aras combined. This is a complete government. So, Mheshimiwa Aras, a former member of parliament, Ahmed Hussein Ali, a former member of parliament for Mandera East, a long-serving, a very respectable leader, a man of very high integrity, a very honest person. If there is somebody who is honest, it's Mheshimiwa Aras. If there is somebody who has experience in administration, it's Mheshimiwa Moses. Honesty and integrity combined, this is the government. Mheshimiwa Muhammad is the engineer of all this group. He engineers our processes. Mheshimiwa Shaban, who has worked day and night to make sure this process works, who has refused to sleep, who has been pushing everybody to make sure that this event makes a success, is here. Mheshimiwa Shaban is our guru here. Alan Deris, my brother Alan Deris, I have seen him around here, I have not seen him now. He's a great mind. He's brought all his influences, all his, and our banker in South Sudan, Ahmed Sheikh Takoy, for the good work they have done. Mabibi na mabwana, leo hii ni siku ya furaha tele kwa watu wa Mandera County. Tumekusanyika hapa kwa madhumuni ya kuunda serikali yetu upya, serikali ambao tunatarajia kwamba itashinda uchaguzi ambao unaokuja siku za mwezi wa 8. Sisi kama wana harakati ya kuleta mabadiliko katika kaunti ya Mandera tumejiunga pamoja, tumekaa chini na tumeamua ya kwamba Mandera inataka mabadiliko. Jinsi inavyoendelea, Mandera inataka mtu ya kuja kukomboa, inataka timu ya kuja kukomboa kaunti ya Mandera. Na timu hiyo imepatikana hapa, kwa seneta wetu hapa Muhammad, kuna wajumbe walioko hapa na kwa jamii wote ambao wamekusanyika siku ya leo hapa. Mabibi na mabwana, madhumuni ya kujitolea kama kiongozi ni kuleta mabadiliko na kuboresha maisha ya wananchi. Sisi tumejitokeza kuboresha maisha ya wananchi wa watu wetu wa Mandera. Hatuna madhumuni mengine, hatujakuja hapa kujinufaisha, hatutaki pesa, hatutaki vyeo. Sisi wengineo tumemaliza vyeo katika serikalini. Mheshimiwa Upka amemaliza cheo yote katika serikali. Mheshimiwa Hassan amekuwa mjumbe. Mheshimiwa Moses amemaliza vyeo na bendera zote, amepeperusha bendera zote amemaliza. Watu hapa walijitokeza. This is a credible team. Hii ni timu ambayo italeta mabadiliko katika jamii ya Mandera. Na ni timu ambayo itawasawasisha watu wa Mandera katika maendeleo. Kila mtu atakuwa na haki yake, kila jamii itakuwa na nafasi yake, na hakuna mtu atakayedhulumiwa katika serikali hiyo ambayo inakuja. Tunasema ya kwamba huduma mtapata mashinani, pesa zenu mtapata mashinani, pesa zenu tutapeleka kwa wards, pesa itafika kwa wards, tutagawanya pale katika maendeleo yetu. Hakuna mambo ya contractors kukaa chini na kugawanya pesa yenu Nairobi, itakuwa imeisha. Hakuna mambo ya kukaa Nairobi na kazi yote inagawanywa hapa, itakuwa imeisha. Hakuna mambo ya kutangaza nafasi 20 na unaandika watu 120, hiyo itakuwa imeisha. Hakuna wakati wa kuajiri watu ambao bado wako secondary school, unawaajiri na unawalipa mshahara, hiyo hakuna. Na ya mwisho, hakuna mambo ya kulipa 10% hapa Nairobi, pesa zimeisha. Vijana na kina mama, serikali yenu ni hii. Tutapeleka pesa zenu kwenu, na tumesema ya kwamba tutapeleka over 500 million shillings kusaidia vijana na kina mama katika shughuli zao za biashara. Na tumesema ya kwamba madrasa na duksi watalipwa na serikali ya county. Gharama ya madrasa na duksi, hakuna wakati mtaulizwa kulipa Hamisi tena. Hamisi mechi. Kuna wajumbe wale mashinani, FCS, hawa ndio watu tunawatumia kutafutia sisi kura. Wako wengi hapa, wanaongozwa na chairman ya ODM Nuskilo. Huyu mtu anaitwa Nuskilo. Sahii ni kilo kubwa. Kwa hiyo wako wengi, mmebarisha mkono mwonekane wale FCS mlioko hapa. Tumesema ya kwamba tutapeleka pesa mashinani, so we'll create ward fund for development. Every MCA will have a ward fund where he will be responsible for the implementation of the projects and programs in his wards. Kwa hivyo mambo ya kukula pesa huko na watu wawili watatu itaisha kabisa. Ya mwisho, ningependa kushukuru kwa dhati jamii ya Waitani. Karamu hii wao ndio walitengenezea. Wao ndio walitengenezea karamu hii ili tuweze kuja kuzungumza na wananchi wetu. Jamii ya Waitani, tunawashukuru sana kwa moyo wetu wote. Mahata ya dini elina inawala ya. Now we will allow our teams to go back and sit.